Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best EDC knife. Here are the top 3 EDC knives that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. CJRB Cutlery Folding Knife. This ambidextrous, folding knife is equipped with a flipper opening mechanism that allows quick movement and maneuvering. It has a cleaver-style blade crafted with durable AR-RPM9 steel, which measures 3.43 inches long. The blade material of this pocket EDC knife is made of artisan CUTLERY patent AR-RPM9 powder steel. Its handle is made up of lightly textured carbon fiber which improves grip and prevents it from slipping. CJRB Cutlery is equipped with a steel clip attached to the handle, which aids in easy portability and usage. At number 2. Spyderco Manix 2 Signature Folding EDC Knife. This knife features a planeage grind, which is known for creating a smooth and exact cut. Its grind reduces drag during cutting and decreases the overall weight, and makes it unique among other EDC knives. This knife features a blade ground with flat bevels that extends from the spine to the cutting edge. Its scale G10 handle has a unique, non-slip, check texture which provides a solid and secure grip. Spyderco folding knife's handle provides a special kind of comfort while making it reliable and easy to carry. At number 1. Zero Tolerance Titanium Flipper Knife. This flipper knife has small blades and a pretty rigid structure which makes it reliable for everyday use. It has a harpoon-style steel blade that maintains a sharper edge which ensures excellent precision. This accessory comes up with a titanium frame lock with a hardened lock bar insert that secures the blade during heavy use. It features a reversible pocket clip that makes it easy to carry for both left and right-handed carriers. Zero Tolerance Flipper Knife is made of high-quality material, which makes it perfect for camping, fishing and hunting activities. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.